Tired of endlessly prompting AI for UI designs? What if you could automate the entire workflow, from initial concept to final React components, with one script? Stay tuned. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Using AI for UI design is powerful, but it's often a slow, manual loop of prompting, copying, and fixing inconsistencies. This ad hoc process wastes time and kills creativity. But there's a better way to orchestrate AI. We used a single vibe coding prompt to generate our entire automation script. We asked for a Python orchestrator that takes a UI idea, refines it with feedback, breaks it into components, and writes the code for each one. Want the full prompt? Subscribe and find out how. First, we set up our configuration, importing necessary libraries like OS and requests. Next, our _Claude API client _class. This is the heart of our communication, handling all API calls and sending both text and image data to Claude. With our client ready, we send our first prompt to generate the initial UI for our AI calorie calculator app, asking for a complete HTML file. Now for the magic. The _refine _UI function creates an iterative loop. We provide text feedback, like, fix this alignment, and the script asks Claude to generate an updated version. Once the design is perfect, we ask Claude to act like a software architect and plan the UI, breaking it down into a neat, numbered list of Next.js components. Then, our orchestrator loops through that list, prompting Claude to generate the React and TypeScript code for each individual component, saving them as .tsx files. Finally, our main execution block ties it all together. It runs the entire sequence: generate, refine, plan, and implement, transforming a simple idea into a structured codebase, automatically. This is the power of automating your AI workflow. We've gone from a slow, manual process to a fast, consistent, and scalable UI development pipeline. You save time, reduce costs, and let AI do the heavy lifting, the right way. Did you vibe code smarter today?